Ali Abbas.
Saad Masood, the bowler now. He's been introduced in the attack. Definitely there's some due. We have seen a couple of half-trackers from the spinners. They have not been able to bowl the length they want to. So there must be some due.
There it is. Boogie Cam always tells you, look. There's a bit more today. They were a lot drier last night.
Easy one, easy one. Easy, easy.
Big opportunity lost by the Mardan Warriors. They were able to restrict the Sharks after a great start of 177 on 177. A big opportunity lost from them because there's a lot of due. They could have batted. If they had batted well, there was a big chance for them.
Bowled. It's brilliant now from the Sharks. Warriors have no answers at the moment. Just checking the front foot. Just ask the batter just to hold, it's fine. Absolutely fine, you can run that on.
And because of the dew, it's skidding a little bit. Abbas Ali, he went onto the back foot, the ball skidded. And just look at the keeper, he's taking a selfie, he knows Saad Masood is a star.
Well, he knows our sponsors decode a smartphone as well, and he's smart. Abbas Ali goes to 2, the Warriors 77 for 5.
No, easy.
That is the way to play, really. Play him as a little in-swinger. Can't go back. Can't go back.
Abbas Ali, the captain of Mardan Warriors, have had a lean tournament so far with the bat.
Easy one.
It just slides out, maybe because it's just a little bit damp, the ball. End of the 13th, it's 79 for 5. Yeah, look, they're not going to reach it from here, I don't think. 14.5 runs and over. Put yourself in a situation, set a different target and just try and get that. Just say that you're chasing 140. Well, at the moment they look like they're just having a net. Oh, this is close as well. Given, yeah, thought so. The review's been taken straight away.
I do think that it might be going down the leg side, but we'll have to wait and watch.
Oh, I think this is close. I think once it's been given out on field, that's fine, the front foot. Unless he's got a little inside edge on it, which I don't think he has. Where does it pitch? Pitch is in line. Which leg does it hit, front foot or back leg? Misses the bat. Back leg. Thank you very much. Going on to smash into leg stump. So a good decision, I think, on field. This will tell us more. Pitch is in line. Slightly straightens, hit the back leg, going on to cannon into leg stump. Good decision on field. Good piece of bowling again from Masood. Yeah, very good. Not so for this man. Dowd Nazir goes to 12. It's 92 for 6. Oh, a wicket again. Mohammed Irfan. He goes first ball, and guess what? We're on another hat-trick, the third of the game. Decoder in the house again.
The Sharks are really enjoying this contest. Excellent bowling again by Saad Masood. That googly back of the hand, it skids. There is due, it's kidding, and the moment you go onto the back foot, this will be the result. This time Mohammad Irfan and the keeper making sure he makes Saad feel like a star. Mohammad Irfan faces one delivery, gone for naught. Mardan Warriors 92 for 7.
2 and 2. This one given out on field. It's a good decision. Don't go back. Do not go back when it's just sliding through. No wonder he's got a smile on his face. Archie Lennon was on a hat-trick.
Come on, boys, come on, boys.
Mohammad Irfan, who just got out, was on a hat-trick. And now Saad Masood. Oh, get more than one slip in. Get a leg slip in as well. They need 86 from 31. You're on a hat-trick.
Sharp boys, sharp boys.
22 runs, 5 wickets for the Warriors.
Abdullah went back and just got a bat on it. 2 wickets in the over, 15 overs gone. It's 92 for 7.
Which is on Tuesday.
Yeah!
Bowled him. They've lost another one. 8 down now. Masood into the attack, and he's picked up a wicket straight away. Gee, his numbers are looking pretty good now, Masood.
He gets his 4th. Lennon here just looking to get on with things. It's the googly. Bit of purchase off the pitch. Snuck through into that inside edge of the bat. And the 8th wicket falls. He goes for 9. Mardan 99 for 8.
Nicely bowled. Masood's got 5 runs. Correction, 6 runs off his bowling. He's picked up 4 wickets.
And just 14 deliveries to add to that. And that's the last of those 4 wickets.
Oh, there might be another one too. There is another one. So he's picked up a fifer. Celebrations in the middle. This has all happened very quickly for Masood. Benkenstein might have just got a poke in the eye as well from one of the blokes that are celebrating with him.
All right, this wicket gives him 5 in the game. First one to get 5 in the Pakistan Junior League. And that takes him to the top of the leaderboard for the most wickets in the competition.